The Aer Travel Pack 2 Small is the smaller cousin of the larger 33-liter Aer Travel Pack. The organization is almost identical, but with dimensions that make it more suited for a personal item-sized travel bag. The listed dimensions are 19 by 12.5 by 7.5 tall, which is about an inch longer than what is allowed on budget airlines like American, Frontier, Spirit, and Southwest. There is a plastic panel on the back giving the bag some rigidity. However, this bag is pretty squishy, so as long as you don't overpack it, you should be able to fit it in the bin. Just like the larger version, the Travel Pack Small uses a solid fabric and hardware. They have this exterior 1680 Cordura ballistic nylon, which is a very solid, sturdy fabric. The zippers are these large number 10 YKK locking zippers on the main and the organizational compartment, with smaller number 8s across the rest of the pack. 3 of these zippers are lockable on the main compartment, the front organizational pocket, and then the laptop compartment. And these 2 up here are close enough together that you could lock them both together with just one lock. This front slash pocket in the laptop compartment do have these water resistant zippers that make it look like the pack is more water resistant than it is. However, there's no coating on the fabric of this bag. These zippers do offer a little bit of water resistance, but they're really the only water resistant feature on this pack. The Travel Pack 2 is a favorite among minimalist travelers. I think just because it's a sleek, minimalist looking, well-made bag, has a lot of pockets, external organization, 2-side carry handles, water bottle pocket, and non-stowable backpack straps. For these 3 organizational pockets, front slash pocket, large organizational front pocket, and then this small top slash pocket. This front panel organizational pocket is gigantic. You can put gear in this main panel. This sleeve right here goes all the way to the bottom. And then there's 2 more sleeves down here, 4 smaller sleeves in the middle, this mesh pocket, and then this large zippered pocket up here. Add to that this front organizational pocket that goes all the way to the bottom of the pack, and then this smaller top access slash pocket, which goes down about 4 or 5 inches, large enough to hold sunglasses, stuff like that. I like to be organized. This bag has a ton of pockets. One downfall is there's so many places to put things that if you kind of forget where something is, might be searching around this bag for a few minutes trying to find it. Water bottle pocket on the side, lays flat, can't see it when you're not using it. Zipper opens up to this expandable mesh panel. This pocket is on the smaller side. It's a great fit, kind of this slim water bottle. Fits in there quite easily. Don't think you need to worry about it coming out. Has this little clip up here. If you need to attach it to something, is a little bit tight on something. This is a 1-liter Nalgene. You can get it in there. It's really tight though, and this bottle is not happy to be in there. One noticeable difference between this Travel Pack Small and the regular is this lack of compression straps. The regular bag has 2 straps on each side, which really helps squish the bag down. I think this is a huge oversight because when you pack this bag normally, it comes in about 7.5 inches, which is kind of where you want it to be to fit as a personal item. However, this bag is squishy and it's really easy to jam these pockets full of gear, expand this out, and get it way too wide. It would be really great if there were some straps on here to help you kind of squish the bag down a little bit. This laptop compartment, however, it's great on the back of the bag. This is a great pack for somebody with a lot of electronics. It opens from the top, comes around part way on this side, and then swinging around most of the way down on this side of the pack. There's a ton of padding on this pocket, thick padding here in the back, as well as this plastic panel, and then another thinner foam piece here in the back. You could put something here in the main compartment, or it has this sleeve, which easily holds my 15-inch Dell. Keeps it centered in the bag, keeps it from moving around in here, keeps it away from the sides and the top, and it has a good false bottom. Keeps your laptop a good 4 inches off the bottom of the pack for some extra protection. The carry system on the Travel Pack 2 Small is great. I think they did everything right with this pack. They have nice wide shoulder straps, this combination of a firmer padding on the front here with this soft mesh covered foam on the back. They have adjustable sternum straps with nice solid buckles, nice comfortable back padding with good air ventilation, and then this luggage pass-through sleeve. These straps are sewn directly into the pack, so they're nice and strong. There's no top load adjusters here, but probably don't need them on a pack this small. These loops here on the bottom are for attaching an optional hip belt. They sell on the website, 20 bucks. It's kind of personal preference on you need it with a pack of this small. Really depends on how you're carrying the pack and how much weight you have in here. Finally getting around to the inside of the Travel Pack Small, full length zipper, panel loading front, opens into this large main compartment. There are these two large pockets on the lid, and because there's so much other organization in the pack, you probably don't need these for gear. They're large enough that I use them. I think they make a great pocket for mini packing cubes for socks and underwear. My one beef with this pack is this external shoe compartment on the bottom. I got a lot of comments on my last review on the Travel Pack 2 from people who like this pocket. I think it's great to have a dedicated shoe compartment if you bike or go to the gym, and it's quick and easy to put your dirty shoes in here. However, I don't like it for travel, mostly because of the placement. This thing is right in the middle of the bag, and when it's full, you have these awkward small spaces on the side of the bag and this smaller space up here on the top. I would much rather just put my shoes in a separate nylon or Ziploc bag, and then I can just put them anywhere in the pack that I want. I'm not limited to having my shoes right in the middle or the bottom of the pack. And then, not to mention, having a zipper here on the bottom of the pack is a great way to get it full of dirt and ruin it. Packing demo to see what's in the bag and how to pack it. I have a minimalist setup here, towel, bag, windbreaker, some minimalist electronics, toiletry kit, water bottle, a couple of games. For the clothes, it's gonna be about 3.5 outfits, jacket, 3 sets of socks and underwear. This packing cube, I have 3 t-shirts, pants, shorts, and a long sleeve button-up shirt. 10 by 14 compression cube. These things are great, help you pack your gear down. You can fit a lot of these things, a lot into a small compartment. It really helps you save space. Rest of this thing, I'm just gonna kind of pack these larger, bulky items, backpack, travel towel, travel backpack, toiletry kit, and my windbreaker. Top lid, again, great place for socks and underwear. Conversely, if you wanted to use it as kind of dirty, clean laundry cubes, you could switch them out with your clothes in the main compartment. If you're packing as a personal item, you only want to go as high as this zipper. I had it packed much fuller earlier with shoes and some other jackets and stuff. I could get the lid closed. However, my width on this thing was about 10 inches, which works as a carry-on, but it's a little bit thick as a personal item. You have a lot of options with this compartment. There's a ton of pockets in here. There's 100 different ways you could pack this thing, all the stuff in all these little different pockets here. I kind of tend to put the medium-sized items that I don't need immediate access to in here, and this back pocket kind of works with a little tablet e-reader. Slash pocket is thin, so great place for travel documents. And then obviously the laptop is going to want to go in the laptop compartment. This is the Travel Pack Small. All that gear it had on the table. Pretty nice pack out. Mostly full, but not overly packed. And I'll put a packing list and a weight in the description below. This is the Travel Pack on my back. Again, I think they did everything right here with the straps. They're comfortable, well padded. The bag is a little boxy, sits a little bit flat on your back, but the shoulder straps are padded, well comfortable, have a nice curve, easy to adjust straps, easy to adjust sternum strap. My favorite things about the Aer Travel Pack 2 Small are the sleek, minimalist design using great materials. There's a ton of organization for small gear. It has a great laptop compartment, great backpack straps, and this large interior pocket is easy to pack. This pack, however, is heavy, weighing in at 3.3 pounds, and is just barely smaller than the regular size Travel Pack 2. And I really wish that I'd kept these 4 side compression straps on the regular one to make sure this thing squished down to fit under an airplane seat. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Aer Travel Pack 2. Stick around. I'm doing more minimalist personal item size bags in the next couple weeks. Stick around for those, and thanks for watching.